President, the Ghana Institution of Engineering, engineer Ludwig Adom TV. They were the two judges more Brana Sosa buying more per contractor for no year aquinua. Ya momo muso any more cotton, no one share near memo, Sabeya Yaquine, a big naso.
President, the Ghana Institution of Engineering, Engineer Ludwig Adom TV, ene ekasa dia tuja se ekwanya omenye faso eyi akwan enyadia eyekora we wo chirima akwan pia wonomu eyi no enyadia wonomu adwene ho mienu ansa na wonomu eyi a ebewiase ne de ohaw momu ene ebre omanfo we na wo chirima ene se engineers wonomu eyi kwan a anyade se wonomu efa traffic engineers nso eka ho eno ne se wonomu akosi ekwan so na wonomu eya eno eyade ba kwese yemyani ekoho say on mine.
The issues of favoritism and lack of transparency in contract awards have also rather sadly also survived. If you read the 1973 report, you also said these things, and it looks like the same thing is happening today. The current classification system for road contractors has served the nation for decades. However, periodic political transitions, again listen, periodic political transitions in government have weakened standards with pressure to admit under-resourced and inexperienced contractors. Once governments change, this pressure comes. The result is that big road contracts are awarded to sometimes newly formed companies through single source or selective tendering processes, for them to only turn around and sell the contracts to others, mostly Chinese contractors. This is detrimental to the survival of our local contractors who have invested heavily in the equipment and personnel and have gained experience over time.
Wasanfa kunya nso de to Ghana fotosamfo enu musendi omanani enko Public Investment Management Regulations 2020 no ye LI 2411 no ehwo a se wono mo enesa ya de bitumi aboa.
All major projects must have feasibility study reports that include traffic survey and forecast, geotechnical investigations and pavement design, drainage design, traffic design, geometric design, environmental impact assessments. These protocols must apply equally to domestically funded and donor-funded projects. When we get World Bank money, we do all these things. When we are using our own money, we cut shortcuts. They must be fully designed and costed prior to procurement. And consultants must be used as a matter of policy.